Hello and welcome. Visit Caernarfon presents the history and legacy of Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon. Welcome to the fascinating story of Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon, a renowned bakery that has delighted locals and visitors alike for generations. In this article, we will take a deep dive into the history, ingredients, traditional baking methods, and the unique flavors that define this beloved establishment. From its humble beginnings to its commitment to quality and authenticity, Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon has solidified its place as a culinary gem in the heart of Caernarfon. A legacy of excellent ingredients. At Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon, quality is the cornerstone of everything they create. The bakery prides itself on using high-quality ingredients sourced from trusted local suppliers. Shepherd's grain flours, local berries, and jams from Alchemist Jam in McMinnville contribute to the exceptional flavors that customers have come to expect. Meats from Northwest Premier Meats in Tualatin, eggs from Santos Farms in Yamhill, and flours from Tualatin Plains Great Grains in Forest Grove are carefully selected to ensure the highest standards in taste and freshness. Additionally, the bakery incorporates jams from Republic of Jam in Carlton, further enhancing the unique flavors in their baked goods. Traditional baking methods. What sets Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon apart from others is its dedication to traditional baking methods. The bakery takes pride in crafting their pastries and breads using time-honored techniques that have been passed down through generations. These methods include the creation of pre-ferments such as poolish, levain, tantalize, and natural yeast-based fermentation. The extra time and effort invested in utilizing pre-ferments is complemented by the bakery's investment in quality equipment and the skill of their production staff, resulting in consistently excellent offerings. A return to quality. In a world where fast and convenient often take precedence over quality, Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon stands firm in their commitment to delivering exceptional baked goods. The bakery believes that many modern baking methods have sacrificed quality for quantity and volume. However, at Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon, the emphasis remains on producing high-quality, unique flavors that harken back to a bygone era. By prioritizing production methods from centuries past, the bakery ensures that each bite of their creations is a testament to their dedication to excellence. Exploring Caernarfon's culinary scene. Caernarfon, a picturesque town in Gwynedd, is home to a vibrant culinary scene. Alongside Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon, there are several other must-visit spots that showcase the best flavors the town has to offer. Foos, a popular Chinese restaurant, is known for its friendly staff, excellent food, and lively atmosphere. Scoop's Artisan Ice Cream and Dutch Pancakes, a family-run ice cream parlor, serves up homemade ice cream and delectable Dutch pancakes that are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. These establishments, among others, contribute to the rich culinary tapestry of Caernarfon. Planning your trip to Caernarfon. If you're planning a visit to Caernarfon, make sure to include a stop at Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon in your itinerary. The bakery's commitment to quality ingredients and traditional baking methods ensures that each bite is a memorable experience. Whether you're enjoying a flaky croissant-based pastry or savoring a loaf of freshly baked bread, you'll be transported back in time to an era when craftsmanship and flavor were paramount. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in Caernarfon's culinary delights and experience the exceptional offerings of Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon. Conclusion. Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon is a testament to the enduring legacy of traditional baking methods and the power of high-quality ingredients. The bakery's commitment to authenticity and taste has made it a beloved institution in Caernarfon. As you explore the town's culinary scene, be sure to visit Carlton Bakery, Caernarfon and savor the flavors that have delighted generations of locals and visitors. Experience the magic of traditional baking and indulge in the unique offerings that make this bakery a true gem in the heart of Caernarfon. Published by Visit Caernarfon. Please check out our website, www.visitcaernarfon.co.uk. Thank you and goodbye.